Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. We're really excited to have you again. Ohanaeze and Igbo have reacted to the message that was brought by Ifeanyi Ejiofor in respect to what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said to his supporters as it has to do with peaceful coexistence. You're going to hear what Ohanaeze and Igbo have to say and why they are intensifying effort to ensure and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. We're going to be looking at these in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed, please do well to hit on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. The Apex Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohanaeze and Igbo, yesterday expressed joy over the decision by the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, to embrace peace and urge his supporters to do same. Ohanaeze said it was a welcome development which it said is in line with its position. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, had yesterday called on the members of IPOB to avail themselves in the ongoing peace-making process. This was Kanu's stand as revealed to newsmen in Owerri yesterday by his lead counsel Ifeanyi Ejiofor after they visited Kanu last Thursday at the Department of State Services DSS detention facility in Abuja. He said the peace process was important because enemies were trying to cause disharmony regarding the struggle for actualization of Biafra. According to Ejiofor, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu deeply appealed to Umo Chineke to avail themselves of the peace initiative presently ongoing and not to be distracted anymore. He further implored all Umo Chineke to keep their eyes on the ball because enemies are struggling in vain to entrench this harmony. Onyendu reiterated that the ongoing intervention towards peaceful coexistence must be respected, encouraged, and abided by. His call for unity among the entire Umo Chineke at all levels who believe in his peaceful message cannot be overemphasized. Further, Onyendu extends his warm regards to millions of his fans and followers who have equally remained consistent, resolute, and focused. He is convinced that the present situation will only last a while and he will emerge victorious. He also used the opportunity to offer special prayers for me in commemoration of my birthday, as he believed most strongly that the future is crystal bright and holds many good tidings consistent with our usual requests. We crave you don't relent in prayer and supplication to the Almighty Chukwuoku Okike Abiyama, Almighty God Himself. It will surely end in praise. Reacting yesterday, Ohanaeze said it has been its position and desire to get Kanu released and advise him thereafter. It is a welcome development from day one for us. It is a duty to secure his release. It is like when your son is in detention. It is your duty to get him released because before other actions. We did not look at any other thing but to get him released. The important thing is that he is our son, first and foremost, and it's our duty to see that he is released. When we come home, we can advise him. That is why we drafted Ohanaeze legal team to join in doing his case. It has been our committed desire to get him out, and then we can talk to him on some issues. It is a welcome development. Those were the words of Alex Ogbonnaya, sorry. And in a related development, also special counsel to the leader of IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mr. Aloy Ejiofor, argued that the recent judgment by an Abia State High Court sitting in Umuahia, which indicted the military for invading Kanu's country home in September 2017, has paved the way for the reinstatement of his previous bail. Ejimako in a release said that the court judgment has invalidated argument that Kanu jumped bail, contending that but for the military invasion, his client would not have escaped for his dear life. He therefore argued that the judge had set the stage for his client rendition to be invalidated. Wow. Now, these are very interesting news, and we just want to look at certain things before we look at the reactions of Nigerians in this respect. I don't know what Ohanaeze understand by what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. But I feel that this guy has a duty of giving full explanation. I'm talking about Ifeanyi Ejiofor, giving full explanation to what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had said. Because based on what I insinuate, this is strictly my assumption, is that they believe that the strive for the realization of Biafra is over because he talked about the people should live in peace and all of that. But I think that that is not just the right communication or right rendition of his message. But however, it's important that, peace abound because a lot has been happening in the southeast and Ohanaeze and Igbo too. Would love to see peace, fully being restored in the southeast at least, so that the presence of the military can be the thing of the past. But then, before I go further to analyze, let's look at some of the reactions of Nigerians in this respect. And someone here says, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying this because he wants to be released. I think he's embracing peace because if he does not embrace peace, he may stay there till the end of this year. Another person here says, I hope that all this communication we are getting from Ifeanyi Ejiofor is truly coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ohanaeze, I will tell you not to rejoice for now because if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released from prison, he will go back to his dream of making Biafra a reality. And whether you like it or yes, there is bound to be frictions. Another one here says, with what Ifeanyi Ejiofor had said, it truly means that they are going to go the legal way to achieve their earnest request of a Biafra republic. Fighting and getting violent will not solve the problem. To get what they want, they need to strategize and get the relevant authorities and relevant countries involved so that they can get for themselves what they need. You don't have to kill anybody to realize a country. It has never been like that. Another person here says, all of these things you people are saying is story. What we know is that Biafra has gone past Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is in the blood of every Ndibos. And very soon, whether you people like it or not, we would realize our dreams. Another one here says, Ohanaeze Ndibo seems to be joking with what we are pushing for, which is Biafra Republic. I wonder why they cannot see, I wonder why they cannot see the handwriting on the wall. You are hoping to get president for Nigeria come 2023. Can't you see what they are doing? That's a strong one there. Another person here says, this is really a good news for all the Southeasterners. We are tired of all the wars that is going on in the Southeast. We want peace to abound again. We want everyone to be happy. But I do not want ESN to be rid of because they have helped to protect our forests. That's a good one too. December 2020 or so, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came up with that ESN stuff, that Eastern Security Network, and they have been overly instrumental to the invasion of these Fulani headsmen. And I feel that they will not want to dismember that particular group because of the consistent protection of the Southeast forests. That's where I would like to leave it. Go to our comment section. Let's